was going to happen. This is part 2 of my Motown Tress Beshe wig haul. So I did Beshe in the first part, and this is the second part, which is Motown Tress. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. Go ahead and check out the first part of this wig haul. Motown Tress and Beshe are the same company. I did them together, but like in 2 parts, just so there wasn't like a ton of wigs. So let's just get started and get to my Motown Tress. So the first one we're going to start with is Jana, and I have her in the color F4/27 Frost. It's part of their Slay and Style, which also Beshe has as well. And I got her from Divatress for $19.97. So I've noticed that the Motown Tress and the Beshes are showing finished lengths on their cards, which is awesome. So this one is in, the color F4/27 Frost. That is so pretty. It's got baby hairs, deep part lace, 16 inches finished length, 400 degrees. So this is I think I'm going to leave her out because she's very adorable. Next up is Spin 41. I got it from Divatress for $21.33, and I have her in the color 4. So this wig right here is another spin. That's Spin 63. So this is what she looks like. It says her finished length is 20 inches. Yeah, she just looks like that. She kind of reminds me of what Janet Collection's Moon looks like, or Motown Tress B. So that's her. Wait, was it Motown Tress B? I think it was Motown Tress B. Next up I have Alpha, and I have her in the color FS Brown Pink. I got it from Ebonyline for $19.40. I have to tell you, when I opened this, I was very shocked because this says FS Brown Pink, and this is definitely a purple wig. Not that I have anything against purple, but Motown Tress and Main Concept had this like brown pink situation that I was loving. I just don't get it because this is not pink. This is purple. This is brown purple. So just know that getting it, because there wasn't like a preview of it. It was like coming soon. So it's not pink, it's purple. So just so you know. All right, next up we have Allie, and I have her in the color F8 Latte Frost. There was another one in the Beshe line that was the same color. I got it from Divatress for $19.97. I'm not super jazzed about the color. I guess when I saw Latte Frost, I thought it was going to be darker. Like, if you saw Motown Tress's Farrah, she had like the chai latte, the latte. Like, they were more brown blonde mixes, and this is not the same. This is definitely, first of all, she's a yaki texture. She has a bump. I don't like bumps. She's a great wig. She's thick, but I just think this isn't the best color. So I'm not sure. I might sell her. If you would like to see a review on her, please go ahead and put that down below. Okay, 2 more. Next up I have Anita, and I have her in the color Golden Blonde. And it's a slayable edges, deep lace part. This is a similar color to the last one, Allie, with the frosting. But I mean, this is a real blonde. It's kind of yellow. I think she would tone really nicely. I am going to review her though, because I had a wig called Outrace Wig Pop Kelly, which was a similar color and style, but she wasn't a lace front, and I really like the lace front on this. So I think I'm going to review her, and I might tone her. She's a yaki texture. I really like the wigs. This one I'm going to go ahead and keep. Okay, 1 more. We have Ruth, and from the stock card, Ruth is looking like Beshe's Toro. So this is Beshe's Toro. Yeah, this is the same wig. This is the exact same wig. So this is Beshe's Toro, and then this is Motown Tress Ruth. I got her for $19.97 Divatress. So I'll leave this out, and I will review these together. Toro I got in Chocolate Swirl, which I absolutely love. Ruth, which is one of my favorite names because that was my grandmother. I have a tattoo that says Truth with a capital R for Ruth. And yeah, I don't know if they're exactly the same, but they definitely look very, very, very similar. And they look very similar on the stock card. Lace part, 12-inch finished length, color number 4, 400 degrees, baby hairs, all that. So I'm going to leave this out, and I'll review those 2 together. So that's what I have for you. Meow, meow. If there's any of these wigs you would like me to review sooner rather than later, go ahead and put that down below. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!